Ayan, where's everyone mga kapitbahay? Maybe why did like 12 people join at the same time? I don't know. I don't know. Ayan, thank you so much everyone. Thank you to Lolo. Ayan po. Hello Henry, mega shout out. Ayan, Ate Little Hen, Hemi pala. Ayan, sorry Ate Hemi ha. Ayan, Ate Hemi, thank you. Ayan, that's proof you got good live. Yes. Ayan, thank you so much. Love kapitbahay SA, everyone. Ayan. Ayan, Star Dog, do you like my live? Ayan, even though you don't, I thought you, you learning about the Tagalog words. Did you started it? Ayan, Ate Hemi, mega shout out. Oh my God, it's early in the morning na mga kapitbahay. Is, in the Philippines, because it's 5:30 in the morning. So, guys, thank you so much for waking up so early to join on my live. Ate Hemi, ano ba? Ayan, yes, I love your live. Ayan, thank you, Star Dog. Ate Hemi, thank you ha. You just woke up. Ayan. Ano po ba almusal natin? Ayan, thank you mga kapitbahay. Love kapitbahay SA. Ayan. Ayan, Aramia, ate, good morning. Ayan, thank you so much, ate Aramia. Ang aga mo nagising. Anong nangyari? Oo, para magsi 6 o'clock pa lang in the morning in the Philippines. It's so early. Ayan, 14 times love. Ayan, thank you. Ayan, shout to everyone from Aramia. Ate Aramia, did you subscribe Stardog already? Ayan, parang nila skip to live. Okay. Stardog, are you doing your live every day or just only sometimes? How was your live? How's your live doing? Ayan, thank you, Aramia. Love kapitbahay SA. Pretty nasanay na maaga gumising, ha ha ha. Oo nga, no? Sobrang aga. Teka muna, wala namang estudyante, di ba ngayon? Bakasyon namang estudyante. So, bakit ang aga mo nagising? Nasanay ka na talaga. Ayan. Mga kapitbahay, thank you so much, everyone. When I can everyday. Okay, thank you so much, Stardog. Ayan. Love kapitbahay SA. Oo nga, pag nasanay ka na, no? Kasi lalo na pag may estudyante ka, no, te? Oo. Ayan, sanay na talaga, ha ha ha. Hello, Kamalig Mix Vlog, Tugik, Harang. Tusok, Harang, ayan pa. Kamalig Mix Vlog, thank you ha. Love kapitbahay SA. Ayan, thank you everyone. Ayan, mga kapitbahay, we're almost done. Ayan, we have, hello, Putumabira, greetings kapitbahay USA. Thank you so much, Putumabira. Love kapitbahay SA, our Hassan Sabiet. Sorry. Ayan. But I shout you out. Mga kapitbahay, please love Stardog. Just give him a sub, mga kapitbahay. Ayan. Maybe they didn't show up yet, Stardog. Ayan, Putumabira, thank you so much. Love kapitbahay SA. Shout all everyone. Ayan po mga kapitbahay. Thank you so much po mga kapitbahay to all the giving me a thumbs up and also whoever still there, ayan, meron po tayong viewers, mga kapitbahay. So, thank you so much for everyone. I really appreciate everyone and love you all and thank you so much and see you guys later, okay? Love. My lunch is done na, mga kapitbahay. Love you all. Ayan, thank you so much to all my kapitbahay, to all my neighbor all over the world, Philippines, USA. Love you all. Thank you so much for everyone. See you guys later. Happy weekend. Take care, everyone.